Mr. Upgun, yeah. Obaki Sutong, Omari Nutong, Obaki Sutong, Omari Nutong, Omari Nutong, Obeki Nutong. Aye, the project for the road, I swear they don't left them. Lights no they come, the cable they don't see them. The bar no they talk, and they kill it no be seen. With all the fly, investor no see them. The one they waving there, they all don't left them. The country economy, all don't matter. Free education, I swear we don't see them. Civil society, they all don't afraid. The journalists them back, they know they talk again. The justice system, all on box up. The anti-corruption, all thing corrupt. Adebayo don't talk all them talk on it. Abacha people say, all them talk on it. The doctor then say, all them talk on it. The nurse then they talk all them talk on it. The teacher then say, all them talk on it. The student they don't talk all them talk on it. The mumu they don't talk all man no talk all them talk on it. All man no talk all them talk on it. Man then they fed to themselves na the party. All man they talk say na them start the party. The party picking say he don't pull and ban the party. The way the thing they go, he don't fit na the party. Na so corruption them bring now we nation. Every day we country na so confusion. Why then they wicked the people for waiting? They say they no for talk, then they want for the batting. No freedom of speech. I say but for waiting with all them promise. So God bona fake. The youth then is gone. Nothing no day. Why we country slow? Money no they flow. Adebayo don't talk all them talk on it. Abacha people say all them talk on it. The doctor then say all them talk on it. The nurse then they talk all them talk on it. The teacher then say all them talk on it. The student they don't talk all them talk on it. The mumu they don't talk all man no talk all them talk on it. All man no talk all them talk on it. The Lunge bringing project I swear he don't cancel with all them talk to God they no make na so then get for go back to God they no make women know they work then they talk say you idle the salary them back then they delay for the pay answer for girls now they make na them boil the country don't see the cleaning no stop then do you bad self then they talk say na buff them pocket and they flop then we own and they empty then treat we like slave like say we na foreigner then send them picking then they land over yonder the land book na salon to God they no proper we country they bend who say we they go no justice for the poor no price control the picking and they cry no food na the host Adebayo don't talk all them talk on it. Abacha people say all them talk on it. The doctor then say all them talk on it. The nurse then they talk on it.
Corruption plays a greater part of where we are today. Listen to the music and learn some lesson.
One man below we cost millions of dollars. Buy expensive jeep. Tell me why the gun no good drive. Another man gets business we worth millions of dollars. Countless number of houses. Tell me why the gun no good drive. Then why you reap with resources and go deposit am na foreign banks. They left we bandits and they criticize we again. One pay money financial account past the one who contain budget. How you expect the gun for soak we better not be.
Let we left hypocrisy, left the sycophancy. We can tell the people why make the gun the drive. Let we left hypocrisy, una left the sycophancy. One game and tip sote and buy all the shares na the land. Let we left hypocrisy, left the sycophancy. The love for taking cause. Then none of us go free. And corruption don't make we dey suffer, so now we learn. The love for taking cause. Then none of us go free. And corruption don't make we dey suffer, so now we learn.
The one that went on legs alone, that they no broke down we country. So fake contracts, sign them bad mining agreements. Some journalists and civil society know they talk the truth. For sake of brown envelope, sell them bad right for kuku yebe. Now I know why we continue so. Then we don't politicize everything. All them fine business for keep place and don't privatize. So how you expect the ground for so? Where we continue foundation oil. Not to inside 2 years you for expect alone for change. Then we left sabotage by that. Mommy cause she jealousy. But we not give chance to president build any government for who.
Let we left hypocrisy, left the sycophancy. We can tell the people why make the dry. Let we left hypocrisy. Una left physical fancy. One game and tip sote and buy all the shares na the land.
Well,
Let we
that's what the program look like today. Music against music. Your word against my word. Today, we dey can look how enough fine for oppose government where you no know how for run government. No go no side. We dey come back Jishnu.
Yes, subscribe. You always dey watch we program them, but you not subscribe yet to the channel. All wetin you get for do, press this red subscribe button, and then you come over here to and press this bell. To the bell option, press this one with all. E don done. E no get for cost you anything. When you do this, na sign for show say you dey support we for make we do more. For make we go able for grow fast and pass this number, all wetin you can do for help, come up outside this 3 dots there, you press there, then the first one you see na share, you press am. Then you go get option for share am na WhatsApp, Facebook, na your messenger or any other social media platform where you dey. So people them go come and join me na we channel. So more people go get to understand wetin dey happen inside salon and the kind work we dey do. Thank you for you don help me for share this program. Yeah, God bless you.
Welcome back. This na the program we had. This na the program where they for educate you and inform you, but things them where you not aware of.
My name na Aliyu.
And me na Justin.
Well, inside the program today, like Justin don say, na music against music. You word against me word. But first, you know say this BM10, what been they go round from plenty woman them, how they don gains with the kind of way how we man them they implementing. And we be aware of Khadija Sako, when that 5-year-old, where they allege say they rape and he been die, ain't he? You be same way so aware when we talk about 4 years where they allege say one police officer be rape this BN10, ain't he? Well, we understand say then the police don't release 3 people them out of 5 where they be arrest concerning Khadija Sako in case. Well, then say they no get plenty evidence, but that no mean say they not to key suspect inside the case, so then still investigate. But they say they no want for rush for charges case gonna court because plenty time when they can rush for charge rape case gonna court, they can end up for go lost the case. So this one, they no want for lose them at all. So then they take their time for investigate. But they still get 2 important people in na police custody.
That now that.
Well, you know say that boy. And in mama or your auntie, you know, say they get the play inside that they will not able for know if my mama and they or your auntie.
Okay.
And good thing happen this BN10. Although parade business good thing not they happen, but good thing don't happen this BN10.
That now waiting.
You remember Idris Elba? Where they say na one goodwill ambassador?
Yes.
Idris Elba don't begin prove say in a man it well good to assist.
How?
Idris Elba this BN10 don't give £40,000.
Wow. What a patriotic.
It don't prove and say that diplomatic passport with them in
They're not being getting free.
They're not getting for nothing.
Really?
For sure say in Papa na Salonico.
Na Saloma for real. Bravo.
So
Idris.
we tell you plenty thank you. Because this one, not to the government to then give to organization them when they work with the government for make sure say they set up things them where for the proof say people them they tamper with man then picking their other woman there.
Well, me people them, as soon as all the now this we brother don't do. We recently can a salon can find out say na in home where the government be take the honor for give in rights as a citizen when na in passport. This not the good thing where he don't do. We understand say it don't put plenty money na some organizations them where they look over rape victims them. Well, it's not good news. Now them kind people here, we need na salon. Not always something come, you talk blah blah, you go, you're not able. But hey, this money don't enter na certain organizations. Do ya? Una way they add them organizations there. This money, this young man bring them for support people where they suffer on these rape issues in the country, as we all know. So do ya? We dey beg, we dey plead to una.
Well, I'll tell you one good thing. We are here this morning from Asma James Foundation, where Asma James intercede in for talk. They talk say the money not to for him, the money not to for Chernobyl or for waiting. Now for make sure say they use them for the right way.
No, well talk.
We pray say they use them for the right way.
Talk na one, implementation na two. We don't hear waiting them talk. Now we dey pray and watch. If waiting them talk, now so that they do that's and we all happy.
Okay, that's a good thing. So thank you, Idris Elba. We hope say other people can go follow suit and do the kind thing where you don't begin for do so for we are. We appreciate you and we tell you plenty, thank you. Now that we move small bit, we are going to say this now the season. Remember this September then? September, August, September. Nothing different them nothing different them at all. Plenty people have lost their life. You understand? Now, Kamayama, now one of the places that day where remember that told them we talk about flooding and mudslide.
Yeah.
Kamayama na be one of the places that day where they suffer. Kamayama don't begin suffer back. Austin don't begin float.
Oh my God.
Openga to story don't begin the lost they don't flow.
That's on the street, so
we don't begin see people then. They swim inside an ocean.
Flooding, I don't take
fence side for day.
Broke house them.
Hey, God helping us
and shop them.
Yes, again.
The government and the city council.
City council. Even at the first thing. The last thing is that they used to clean them, the big drainage and then gutter them. But this keep I know you eat too much of that too. I don't know. I'm only not there already. Yeah. Try your job fine, maybe you able for 8 people then. But again, you know say we the people in back we get small for.
Well, yes. We the citizens of we are in Sierra Leone, we get real problem concerning this flooding issue. But this we just send out to million people concerning this flood issue as an advice. Because really the city council we see that they try. Right? They try their best. But like we talk, me and you get a role for play. You know, we really need for stop for the 12 na gutter. Because if not to them dirty there is no way when the water they come for make it block, it jump for go cause another problem. But be that we the people of Sierra Leone they throw the dirty inside gutter. Definitely when they come, it was and when it block, it jump, it will cause trouble.
And it don't come one kind of habit now. A small them cancel. We don't pull all the dirty that we don't keep for go to and gutter.
Yes, because some people no one for the that small trade they give to people who they pass and take dirty.
Some people
make them go.
Some people them really want to give a small thing. But again, sometimes they don't give the small thing to some of them but where they go through it. But some of them when they take me to back, you know, say them going down. Now then big gutter then they go through. You know why? Let's not for throw it at all. First thing, we know of places them when they get dirty box them. Usai, you take it dirty and you say you go through and then dirty box them. But now you know they at all. You know they at all. They try for big transit sites then. Usai people them go through the dirty. Or when they go get on the thing go through, but it's not easy. This can only get to city council. City council will need for step up in our game. We not say cleaning is go on. Cleaning. There are things of them cleaning the way they do. They spend a lot of money on cleaning. Instead of them invest a lot of money on cleaning, they try for the step up in the game. To make sure they provide more dirty box in different strategic areas then we go make people then they access them dirty box easily. But it's not to that way, we can continue to dirty. and then they go for the for the block. But again, one thing we have to say with regard to this and business and the if you not say when we can, it's very good. Then a somebody over flat, we still say under the floor. Instead of maintaining the beginning not on top of things, not on top of this, I will advise you to come on and go to your neighbor within here and you get to story. When I go up on the floor, because according to El people, disaster management, they say when you get flooding, you go to siren eye. When you feel say thunder, you wait in Colonia,
well, these are live reports waiting to happen. Now, as I talk to now, this is ready for them. And our region's village, I just say on the city water and the streets. Nearly the one area don't flood it.
And listening.
Flooding not every area than the one area.
Like them.
At this kiosk, I should hope so on the city kiosk. You see, people them know we can on the kiosk, but I don't flop. One whole place don't flop. One whole place don't flop.
The water even have for care and go. But thank God you're able to get small screen, and not only because of the get screen, but because big water not be daily. Because if every water be come wait out this one, then you're not able to stand up. Back before we end up for midterm next one.
We thank God.
Yes, we need to pray right now, yeah? The season not a good time for we. Especially August and September inside we can get bad experience. Not only Fleeton, because we don't get report of accidents and different side where every breeze, the bloody cell, every breeze don't scatter hostel, upline all man 91, go Kelima, different side we don't get it. So we need to pray go to God. May God have mercy upon him. Okay, let me go now to another thing. You know, when we begin the program, you've been talk interesting things, say, when you know then a government, you not get experience of running government. You for know how you oppose government, and thing. Why laugh?
Anyway, I laugh because I enjoy myself.
Okay.
So the question we ask me.
All right.
Yes, my people, and so I really say, where you not in a government, you na opposition, you not know how to run government, you not fine for oppose government. I talk for my caretaker, get things them, where he be the talk. Where this we present a caretaker, when a president, Julius Maada Bio, that time they in a be strong opposition, you understand? He be they deny them things there and they stand against them. By that time they in a be opposition. But it don't happen right now. Who say we they see? Then things away from our president with the talk. Where the president now, when a Maada Bio be the opposed. Now if they do the worst, more than them things here. You know, it just sound like we what I've been singing mass say yesterday better past today. So, that not to me talk out. Now the cry of the people.
Okay.
Now wait till the people they say. Then still they repeat this word say yesterday better past today. So now make I use that word day.
So what we they try for say? Basically, we want for try for give you a flashback, take you down memory lane. Then turn the way we get former caretaker. We been there. Remember 2017-18?
Yeah.
Been the now that time they been going to parliament where he go tell thank you to the people of we had and Seth. He been go tell we the people of the yard through parliament about waiting it don't do. Waiting and challenge, waiting and success.
Yes.
Well, after I been on say some of them things and day, we be here, the caretaker now self been talk something concerning them today. But first of all, let's take you back in the parliament in 2017. Let me listen waiting for my caretaker been say concerning the GDP, whether the gross domestic product and employment when it come back just now.
Enabled us to weather the worst of the storms, and we registered higher GDP, investments, and job growths never seen before in this country. Just when we were taking off with this spectacular growth, a dreaded disease unknown to us, unknown to our brothers and sisters in the Mano River Union, attacked us. But we fought back and in the midst of collapsing commodity prices all over the world, and with support from our friends, we defeated the virus and inaugurated a recovery program that has put us back on track. The economy. Since 2007, my government directed our economic growth by embracing infrastructural development, including reviving the energy sector and improving the business climate to attract foreign investment. In 2007, the monetary value of Sierra Leone's economic and business activities was 5 trillion yuans, or about $1.7 billion. By 2013, my government had increased it to 22 trillion yuans, or $5.1 billion. Ebola decreased our economic output, but our resilience ensured that by 2017, the economic activities of the country are estimated at 30 trillion yuans, or $4.1 billion. Note the percentage increase in loans since 2007 is 500%, and in dollars, 141%. The contribution per person to economic and business activities in 2007 was 720,000 yuans, or $240 in 2007. By 2013, just before Ebola, we ensured that it increased to 4 million yuans, or $840.
Well, now this former caretaker say, for make we understand the program more and more, now let we listen back to the present caretaker waiting talk.
But before even Ebola set in, I think we've had serious problems with the economy. Some companies had already started to close down. We are not translating the growth rate into livable terms. The people, the ordinary man on the street, has not been able to say that, oh, my life has improved. And the essence of leadership, the essence of development is actually, it should be people-centered. It's not just to quote the numbers. We are the fastest growing economy in the world. Let people feel it in their pocket and say, oh, my situation today is better than it was 4 or 5 years ago, and therefore the economy is improving. So I believe that some things have been done, but I believe that they could have been done in a better way, but more things need to be done. And I can assure this country that I will do those.
Oh yeah. So now I'm going to ask you a question. With regards, the way how the country been they go, the way how the country they go now, the way how thing been talek, the way how thing talek now. Do ya? Una help we down at the comment section. Tell me, what do you think about what the former caretaker say he do? And what this present caretaker, he not talk about, but what because he say he can't do. What in they do right now? How you compare them? Okay, yeah. Sometimes he only follow George, eh?
Ale?
Yeah, because caretaker now say, it too early follow with George let we give wait by the end of in term, and then we begin George
But let me tell you, say, married, we get for sweet.
From the
Bachelor's Eve.
Yes.
Right?
Mm-hmm.
If you they say, make we not judge it, the present caretaker, when Julius Maada Bill, from what you don't take staff, where is sit on a seat. Now 2 years or month now, we dey chase 3 years, right? And you get from no say, it gets 5 years, and inside these 5 years, campaign time they did. So if we're not able to judge now, we're not able to see things there now where caretaker being preached on now in your manifesto, right? Who say on the begin judge?
Well, then time young first boy, it just passed 2 years. I'm boy, you know, left for the opposite. You know, say if you get for be constructive on a criticism, at least they will give more time. Yeah, we'll give time. You don't think so?
No, well, not to me, you forget time. Now we the people of Sierra Leone.
Well, not to me say low gain time. Now caretaker say low gain time.
I know it's hard for my people. I was expecting this, but I didn't promise simplistic solutions that will only last a week. I promise a total fix, and it will take time, and I'm working on that. I want to be judged at the end, not at the beginning. We have only started a long journey, and I'm going to assure Sierra Leoneans that we are definitely making progress in terms of making sure that Sierra Leone becomes the best destination for foreign direct investment, which has an impact on definitely providing a better quality of life, because it will provide jobs and other opportunities for Sierra Leoneans to be able to have a better quality of life.
Anyway, in Otapio, former caretaker inside the same parliament, he been talk other thing. Let me listen them.
Today I am here to report that our construction of roads everywhere has been to get the ordinary man and woman move faster and safer all over the nation.
Well, a not up deal. As we tell you earlier, your word against my word. Now this one my caretaker say. Now he's still listening, waiting the caretaker right now can counter and say.
The term we're in a opposition leader.
Strong opposition. Let me listen.
One of the things they've spoken about is the trumpeted several times is the infrastructure development. Infrastructure development is not limited to roads. In Freetown today, yes, we need roads. We need to declog the traffic system. It took me nearly 1.5 hours to come here, when on a normal day I think it wouldn't take me 15 minutes. But I want development that impacts positively on the lives of the people of this country. Yes, the roads are good, but can we put these roads in places where it can have a positive impact on the development of this country? Can we do it at a reduced cost? So they have talked quite a lot about infrastructure, but I would have preferred, the city getting water on a daily basis, because I see the kids at midnight, breaking the pipes in order to get water. They are out there vulnerable, especially the girl child. And I think water is so important. We all need water on a daily basis. So if you talk about infrastructure, I know there are plans now, but I think what we should do as heads is to make sure that we prioritize. If you asked anybody on the street between water and roads, they would tell you water, because I can go without a good road, but I cannot go without water for a day, for my health and also for other sanitary reasons. We need it even to live, so it is something that we need on a daily basis.
The game sweet.
What's it laugh for?
The game sweet. I go ask you again. Tell me in the comment section. We just no one talk boku today. Your word against my word. Music against music. I think we need to forget small taste of this music again.
Mr. Obogon, yeah. Obaki Sutong, Omari Nutong, Obaki Sutong, Omari Nutong, Omari Nutong, Obeki Nutong. Aye, the project for the road, I swear they don't left am. Lights no they come, the cable they don't tiff am. The bar no they talk, and they kill it no be seen. With all in fly. Investor no see am, the one they waving there, they all don't left am. The country economy, all don't matter. Free education, I swear we no see am. Civil society, they all don't afraid. The journalists them back, they know they talk again. The justice system, all on box up. The anti-corruption, all thing corrupt. Adebayo don't talk am, all them talk on it. Abacha people say, all them talk on it. The doctor then say, all them talk on it. The nurse then they talk am, all them talk on it. The teacher then say, all them talk on it. The student they don't talk am, all them talk on it. The mumu they don't talk am. All man no talk am, all them talk on it. All man no talk am, all them talk on it. Man them they fed to themselves na the party. All man they talk say na them start the party. The party picking say he don't pull and pan the party. The way the thing they go, he don't fit na the party. Na so corruption, them bring na we nation. Every day we country na so confusion. Why then they wicked the people for waiting? They say they no for talk, then they want for the batting. No freedom of speech, I say but for waiting. With all them promise, so God bona fake. The youth then is gone, nothing no day. Why we country slow, money no they flow. Adebayo don't talk am, all them talk on it. Abacha people say, all them talk on it. The doctor then say, all them talk on it. The nurse then they talk am, all them talk on it. The teacher then say, all them talk on it. The student they don't talk am, all them talk on it. The mumu they don't talk am. All man no talk am, all them talk on it. All man no talk am, all them talk on it. The Lunge bringing project, I swear he don't cancel with all them talk. To God they no make am, now so then get for go back to God they no make am. Women know they woke, then they talk say you I know this
and country know they grow. Corruption plays a greater part of where we are today. Listen to the music and learn some lesson.
One gram and belows we cost millions of dollars. Buy expensive jeep. Tell me why the gun no go dry. Another man gets business we worth millions of dollars. Countless number of houses. Tell me why the gun no go dry. Then why you reap with resources and go deposit am na foreign banks. They left with bandits and they criticize we again. One great money financial account, past the one who contain budget. How you expect the ground for soap? We better not be.
Let we left hypocrisy, left the sycophancy. We can tell the people why make the gun the dry. Let we left hypocrisy, una left the sycophancy. One game and tip sote and buy all the shares na the land. Let we left hypocrisy, left the sycophancy. The love for taking cause, then none of us go free. And corruption don't make we dey suffer, so now we learn. The love for taking cause, then none of us go free. And corruption don't make we dey suffer, so now we learn.
The one that went on legs alone, now they no broke down we country. So fake contracts, sign them bad mining agreements. Some journalists and civil society know they talk the truth. For sake of brown envelope, sell them bad right for kuku yebe. Now I know why we continue.
The music themselves not the left piano.
It's sweet.
Right, all man in your level. But guess what? You know, say somebody say we na paid up APC somebody na even an APC sponsored program.
Well, you no get for label yourself on that. Na salon today, right? When somebody they do the wrong thing, as long as you they oppose that person, they will tell you say you they support or you they sponsor by the opponent when at the opposition. Right? As that one they can sit on back, he begin do bad thing. We don't they pray for that because we they pray for anybody who can sit on, make it do good thing for we the people of Sierra Leone. But as that one they back can sit on, right? He do one or good thing, you can talk he begin do bad thing, you talk again. The same people when we don't tell you say now the opposition they sponsor a program where they present, the same people they come back and tell you say now that other side you did. So that they don't ask you to now. Now salon for we. We all know.
Well, you remember say the former caretaker say he do plenty things. We not going to play all the thing for you. But amongst them, he been talk say the agriculture, they invest in the agriculture because they want to get what they call diversify economy. They don't want to put all their egg in one basket. Remember when the Ebola been there? And it shocked the economy, the mining sector, and we drop. So then say we don't need to put all we egg in one basket. Now they say okay, let's focus back on the agriculture. And they say do plenty thing at the agriculture, but this caretaker self we come to, he say agriculture self na in priority. He want to do plenty things for the agriculture business. But amongst them things there, let we listen. One thing where he talk say he do for the agriculture.
Another major area of intervention in the agricultural sector is the promotion of animal production, which will improve nutrition and provide increased income for livestock farmers. My government has renovated the TECO Central Veterinary Laboratory and equipped trained with modern laboratory facilities for the diagnosis of the majority of the endemic animal diseases prevalent in this country.
Mr. Speaker, I don't know whether it's again as a result of the speech writers or it's a deliberate mistake. I wonder which of the TECO we are talking about. Because the TECO I know is the TECO in Makeni, and the laboratory that is at the TECO barracks as we speak. Which speech are you? From His Excellency's speech.
Check the agreement.
Mr. Speaker. Yes, sir. Page 6. Paragraph 36 says, government has renovated the TECO Central Veterinary Laboratory and equipped same with modern laboratory facilities for the diagnosis of the majority of the endemic animal diseases prevalent in the country. I don't know who did this speech again for His Excellency the President, because these were the words of President Nkrumah, former, in 2017. And I was present myself when that laboratory was opened after its refurbishment in 2017. It is visible, you can go to Makeni and see it. Nothing has happened in that laboratory since the end of the APC government in April 2020. Nothing has happened.
When last year you there?
Please listen to the speaker. Yes, Mr. Speaker. Maybe he wanted to refer to as the former government.
I think the fault should be attributed less to the speechwriter and more to the contributors from the various MPs.
I agree with you. I agree with you, Mr. Speaker. I agree with you. I agree with you. Definitely. But they should be verifying these things. Yes.
That's a lot of time. No, that is the fact. Yes, Mr. Speaker, what the opposition leader was saying. In 2007, he was there when it is.
Not 2017.
2017, he was there when
it was refurbished and launched.
Yes, what the presidency said is government has renovated. It's also renovating and of course.
So that's not what I'm saying. You have said what I was saying. What I am saying, Mr. Speaker, is that since it was refurbished and launched, nothing has happened. No. That's what I'm saying. That is what I am saying. I don't know the basic fact. Mr. Speaker, you see, when I said, Mr. Speaker, we are in the house, we are under oath. I don't want us to score political points. We are not here to score political points. We are not here to score political points.
No.
So for say, but all that pressure I don't praise.
No.
After we caretaker,
No.
don't talk about TECO barracks.
No.
I don't waste my time.
No.
Because for this one, I don't agree, chairman in the talk show.
No.
Now two different things.
No, Cherry Coco, one for score political points.
So who do I feel for trust in this case? Who do I for trust in this case? As the leader don't talk, chairman don't come and counter.
Let's answer that question there.
Now you ask.
They are other for trust in that case. They put on for down in the comment section. Yeah, just left am now comment section. No, no, that for us. For say waiting former caretaker, but you know notice something. The leader of government business been trying for tower for protest against waiting Chairman Obasi, but it like say not being fit to.
They look bulldozer and palace.
Because waiting, if the try for can cover say no, the president be the try for talk say we renovate, we not build and renovate, but the president say initiate. When you say initiate, means say na your idea you come up with and do this thing. You see, government are all about continuity. We not get problem for this caretaker continue with what the former caretaker be don't do. But at the same time, let me talk say this now waiting be not they happen. We don't they continue. But I wonder, you know, easy safely then talk about waiting former government be don't do. That's why it's like no more government out. Instead then they criticize better one.
Well, now this I've been telling you one time, say the way how we people them, we elders them, they take power na salon, na end of the problem, they take power with grudge, differences and other things them, you understand? Because if not to that, Aliyu, if you don't be a president, me can I take over, I take from USA you stop, right? That country they develop rapidly. But if I say USA you don't stop, and they can push them out and try for bring me on them. They know they work.
They don't ever do that. Let's tell you this.
They know they work.
They don't ever do them. Then they continue with outside the government stop. But the thing now, they feel so big and so important for give pride to who that pride.
But it doesn't mean.
Okay, let's tell you.
Give praise to who deserves the praise.
Let's tell you this. You know, say the Kiama Road Hospital, the Okupa Hospital, the Waterloo. These are all projects of the former government. You know?
I know.
Yeah,
I know.
But right now the praise of this government because they complete them. Now a good thing that they complete them. Because if they not been come and complete and say we not continue with also project, then it's not good. But then they complete and they don't complete it. So now a very good thing. Then about government continuity. But let it be say, now this government ain't starter, we can end them, but it not be like that. Let's tell you other thing here. The caretaker talk about plenty things they like lights na kono, talk about watana they na kono that parts them. If we go into the speech of the former caretaker, all of these things they talk.
I did it.
All of them 2017.
They're all
of them
talk. Speech.
Say these na things them where they don't put down and then they go start a very soon. Then the pipeline they don't put them down all things. Project they don't do for that and they all. So not on new things then. But I not get problem. I not they try for oppose. Because this government self that they try and they do very good thing. Because for complete some of them projects not on any serious spot and then they complete them. Then we just left on our side. But the only thing when we get problem with, let them talk and tell we open one say this thing and this then begin and this now we end up. This now we start, this now we end up. Because what thing do, this government not were able to start all projects they end up. Other governments they come. We want the same honesty for continue. But if dishonesty they right now, it will continue with the next government. Then they're not able to tell people and say, now this government begin with kind of. You get price for end something. For God's sake, now plenty people in the begin something, but not all man they end them. So if the few when they end them, if you're able to get a God for talk, say, okay, this thing now this they begin now, but now we end them. Now I pray for you. But it not be like that at all. I don't know why the regular they play this kind of way.
No, you don't need for doubt. You don't need for doubt. You know, the only thing we with the advice, at least the good thing where that man we don't do, right? If fine for talking, that they give speed. I feel say they give speed to use yourself where they are the president government.
Okay. Now I'll get a very good thing I want to share with you. You know, say this government, the priority in education, free education, were very good.
Now that they be saying.
Because if they ask one thing where they make any country go before, now education. Education.
Pure education, not education for education's sake.
Okay, quality education. And for sake of all of this, this government, they pay free for picking them of all level. You know, from primary to secondary. And Justice Bientem, the caretaker again been going to parliament and go tell them about how they don't pay school fee for about 2 million picking them right now. Good thing, ain't it? 2 million picking Aboku no badandi.
Yeah, they don't try.
And Aboku, for let you pay for 100,000 picking, for example, 100,000. Aboku money,
they don't try.
Aboku money, technical points, now they can't soon. Caretaker don't really try. But Chernobyl, not like Chernobyl.
Why?
Chernobyl, anything within that will make like we don't understand. Now I want for go dig.
But now he make them there as a representative for we the people that we vote them in for make them who represent we and tell we what we not get chance for no inside there.
But for say everything now you know go left balance, everything must talk.
Of course.
Okay, what thing are they try for say? Let me listen to this video quick. Where Chernobyl again they talk about education now the well of parliament. With the camera just now.
Going through the 2 documents we received, that is the speech that was laid, which is extensive, and that of the abridged version that was delivered in this house, which I also want to believe, God willing, next year there will be no COVID, and this will be the first and perhaps also the last time for something similar to happen in this house. We want to make sure that the speech that is laid for us to debate is also consistent with that which is delivered by His Excellency the President. Now, Mr. Speaker, I don't want to say few because it came from right across the aisle, from that side and on this side and the center, that the speech writers are not doing justice to His Excellency the President. No. We are not faulting His Excellency, we are faulting the speech writers. And we are thankful that we still have people like Dr. Abbas Bubu still with us in this country. They should be utilizing your expertise, Mr. Speaker. We know that you're not just a brain, but you are also an expert in speech writing. Unfortunately, Ivy Campbell is not here. I will not say everything that I know because you will not want me to say them. But I'm sure that not to write the speech, but if you guide them well, they could do far better than what we have before us today. We have still not seen the quality side of the free education. And Mr. Speaker, again this morning, like the President's speech stated, those that are receiving benefit from the free quality education, we are tagged at 2 million. But a few days ago, a statement in the form of a release from the Ministry of Finance gave us a figure that is less than 2 million. The figure of itself, Mr. Speaker, the figure that was published was approximately 1.85 million. 1.85 million. The Ministry of Finance confirmed that they have paid second term fees, even though we are now on the 3rd term, but that's okay. But that they have paid fees for 1,800,000 plus students. And it's in black and white, and it was published by the Ministry of Finance. The nearest decimal could have been 1.85 or 1.9, but 100,000 difference is a huge chunk. So again, for the speech writers, let them make sure and ensure all the time that they get their figures right before passing them over to His Excellency the President for his pronouncement. Because his words are policy. I maintained that the last time and I will repeat that again.
See what I tell you about Chernobyl?
Well, this is really complicating, my brother.
It's not complicating. Now, Chernobyl, Cherry Coco, now they make this thing difficult. Why they can't
No, wait. Chernobyl no make this thing difficult. Now look at it this way. This discussion, it don't get into 3 partition. It don't get into 3 partition, right? We get Chernobyl, we get the President, we get Ministry of Finance. Ministry of Finance don't come out with a report tell we say they don't pay for 1 million some 100 picking them, right? Now, presidents come out and tell we say they don't pay for 2 million school picking them. But now, as I tell you earlier, the honorables they will get na parliament. Now we all representative them.
Yeah, not too.
Right? Chairman, you know come out for sure the people of Sierra Leone say it not just the inside parliament for I concur. It did it for see what they go on we not good for we and tell we.
Forget. Not to them kind of thing they ask for they can't talk.
Why not for talker?
No. But wait too. The balance we left by the 2 million where the caretaker say. What's that money they go now?
Well, this we know they ask Ministry of Finance again because they don't tell us in a 1 million some. I've a lot of ask. I don't know if we email caretaker when the president sometimes we will send me the answer na email. I don't know.
Dear caretaker, I get a letter for you. We know say discrepancy there. You talk about 2 million. Ministry of Finance talk about 1 million something. Dear, I will ask Ministry of Finance. Also, the balance money don't go. Because you say they pay for 2 million. But then say no, not to 2 million. No, you know, each 2 million. No, this letter not fine.
But wait too. For say Ministry of Finance. I mean they give reports. This report they meet with caretaker. Before caretaker they go out and give it in your figure.
So this not the thing. The different MDs them they deceive the president. Because anything when the president go talk now that parliament, now waiting them different contributors.
Now that's how they say.
Ministry of Finance say then they pay for 2 million picking them. Then now they go come out say they not pay for 2 million na 1 something. The Ministry of Agriculture say they don't make Teko barracks, agriculture, this and that. Then, which of course, not also EB. Then they mislead the president. I've been telling you that they say, certain people in there, now the cabinet, now the government, generally, when no one foresee the president, we caretaker succeed.
But this not advice so we don't give caretaker.
But not in this
say, it gets people away there around them, then just they for He get people away there around them, then just they there for their own selfish desire.
Mislead them. But again, we'll talk, then they tell we say, we then they pay we. For the opposition they sponsor we. Papa God no say, nobody not give we 50 million one day. Follow we talk way to the talk so. We just want help in our own way.
Aliu,
we believe say,
Aliu,
we tell
Aliu, stop there. Not stress yourself for any allegation where come on we had say we they receive finance from the opposition. If Paolo Conte in judgment, where they don't judge, lawyers then they we get judge inside there. After the whole thing, they say they not find them guilty over the charges of treason. Right? Where the jurors them give their own judgment. Later they say
then
bribe them. Wouldn't have me and you when they go say they not bribe. So forget about that, no stress, not just jump to another topic.
You want clear no more.
No, left them, make them talk.
Okay, at the left arm.
So?
At the left arm. At the left arm. But anyway, me picking have the benefit of free education. And they pay for that. So, a very good one. But just that, when I pay for 10 picking, I tell you to say, huh?
But no rejoice it too. For say you pick the benefit. They just don't pay for 1 million sum, where the president can't tell you now 2 million. You know if the balance will have you picking him there?
No, in all the number they mistake pa.
You sure?
Okay, again, apart from the contributors then, the other day we don't talk say, remember for more begin this program, the first program we go talk about balabala. Yeah, we talk say the one way they write for the president, for the caretaker, then for the gear in speech, like one day ahead for lady read them. Remember?
Now let me say, tell you say, when somebody writes a speech due for go deliver to the nation, you should get a responsibility for go over that speech day and ask questions them before ever they go read them out to the people them.
You know say me at the bull I can bull at times
Hey, but you not bull a bala.
But you know say caretaker the bull pass me.
No. Bala.
Not just that though. But caretaker, listen no more. If you go back to this speech where you make na parliament soon. Well, it bull. Well, not a bull.
No, it's not bull.
It's mistake, but cool.
It's not mistake. Now, how they write and so you read them.
No, but you did not say a mistake. It's mistake.
No.
Okay, well, I'll tell you something.
No
see the with mama been the longer throat where caretaker the bull pass some word them.
Now the other writes and they no bull.
No, but they need. Okay, let's tell you. I tell you this. We told this for the care for the mommy. Let's talk about for the pa. If you get an advisor who is scared of you, you're not able to make something, sir. They want them when they write you speech for be very strict. They not for look you face and you for react me for them. You know what I mean? Because anytime you come out when you make mistake, the one day when they write speech, they feel and they act. Because no, they say they know say you don't mistake, not to that right. So do you the one when they write speech, una for the take 30 or 1 hour. Sit down with the caretaker, let him react with una. Let him know they make some small mistake. Yeah? If I compare just now, then we'll say back, then the sponsor will. But I know we'll compare.
Then they get for talk and say if this government he come on a power, he come on a power. If they continue, then they do bad things, they talk about, they see they talk about.
I know they compare. But you know say when it comes for composure, when they read speech, former caretaker, a well composed pass this one. Although former caretaker himself, you get the word the way can call it, attitudinal, chicha, you get it. But still, a composed pass this one. You don't notice that day.
You know what they Hamburg in a salon? Some of them people when they write for the president, they feel say when they say English language, now by big words. No. Write simple things there where the president they can talk to the people there where everybody will understand. No, but when it comes to speech, then they go begin to catch then go to English then they.
No, but something
you understand?
For example, if you want to talk about medical, you get for call the medical word. An easy word not for her. So what they need the advice strictly they do now for letting they sit down and react with the caretaker so that it will not say this word now so they pronounce them. But if they don't react with my brother,
What? Now it happen. Now it happen.
Me better I not sabi English. All man know that day.
I want a Creole boy there.
But we can't take a doctor, educational doctor. So medical doctor, educational doctor. Dr. Julius Malabio.
Doctor. Doctor. Okay. Doctor.
Where I talk about doctor so? You know say caretaker, this na small thing, not so for now the talker, just tell Justin now. For what you go do in course? Where you say don't be a doctor, you never graduate.
They wait first.
After in president.
They go graduate now.
Number why they call a doctor now?
Huh?
Okay, normally in a salon.
Why you left for ask more questions?
Normally in a salon, once you know the
head of state,
head of university, you don't be doctor. Straight up. You remember say na Liberia they get that honorary degree there as doctor. And I have like compulsory inside.
I say we wear the coat.
Yes, I have like compulsory. Then they give. Once you don't be president, but then they give. But anyway, let's not think about the whole program. I left in our comments below. The one way they come and comment, we appreciate all observation, point on and bring come. We appreciate all, how they do things then. But I want to remind you now for we YouTube community. I want for them to check out with community because we they do voting day. We they ask a question and then we vote. Like for example, this attempted prison break, what you not think of them? A genuine, na cover up, or we for accept her as it is. Go there and vote, and then you will see waiting at the end of the day. By the next program, we will come up with the result and see waiting people and think how much percent people think say na cover up, how much percent think say na cover up, or genuine, how much percent feel safe for accept her as it is. So when I visit to community, we get polls where we do the every week.
Well, still at the community talk with my brother they talk. When you go na YouTube, in not your video. Now a ordinary post. When you go YouTube, you see we are, but you see what you post and what you write. Now inside there, you dey able vote for we and like. Not to like video, sometimes for means sometimes for things say na video no na ordinary post like where they post picture on Facebook, but it is on YouTube where you see we are, just go there and do wait me brother tell you for this.
If you not appear na you timeline or na you phone, just go na with community, you dey see we pull there. So thank you very much. I think we dey go. Una dey really prove say una want follow continue as una dey still press the subscribe button. But still, plenty people dey watch the video when they're not able to press the subscribe button. Two things very important. Press the subscribe button. And not up there, go over to Justin, press the notification bell, and then you activate all. That means that anytime when we post video, you will get the time and the chance for able for watch what we discuss for the day.
Well, as me brother don't talk about the subscription, I really get interest again to una where they can comment. Because through una comment, we the correct things them there, and we dey learn from una comment. So I love una, I dey tell una plenty thank you, and I dey urge una for make una do more and more. Until we meet again at the next program, me na Usman Justin.
Every time una comment, una give you observation, we dey try as best as possible for able for put them into good use, yeah? So we not dey neglect anything we person say. Even if you come and talk, say then they pay we dey appreciate you. Now that make we dey repeat this again. We dey give every comment love, whether you oppose or you support. We dey give una love because we really love una. For just take the time for us and comment. We love una. If you like my video, do una thumbs up very important to me, yeah? So give it thumbs up at any time. We dey come back again with another program on Saturday. God bless you. God bless Salone. God bless we all. We love una. Yes, subscribe. You always dey watch we program them, but you not subscribe yet to the channel. All what you get for do, press this red subscribe button, and then you come over here and press this bell. To the bell option, press this one with all. It don't done. It no get for cost you anything. When you do this, na sign for show say you dey support we for make we do more. For make we go able for grow fast and pass this number, all what you can do for help, come up outside these three dots there, you press there, then the first one you see na share, you press am. Then you go get option for share am na WhatsApp, Facebook, na your messenger or any other social media platform where you dey. So people them go come and join me na we channel. So more people go get to understand wetin dey happen inside Salone and the kind work we really do. Thank you for what you don help me for share this program. Yeah, God bless you.